Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your console and Fortnite are fully updated, because matchmaking needs the latest build to respect platform filters. Next, go into Settings, choose Account and Privacy, and turn Cross-Platform Play off. This tells Epic to limit matches to your platform. Once done, set your party privacy to invite only and sign in with the account you normally use on your console. This prevents mixed party flags that can pull in non-console players and keeps the match queue focused on console users. Now you control how you enter matchmaking. Queue solo or only with friends on the same console, because the system expands search pools when mixed platform parties form. Make sure you do not accept or send cross-platform invites while waiting, and don't switch to a linked PC account during the queue, as that can re-enable non-console matching. Also, keep your NAT type open and your network stable. Closed or symmetric NATs force broad searches that increase chances of non-console opponents appearing. Finish by verifying the lobby shows console platform icons or platform tags before accepting a match. That gives immediate feedback that you're in a console-only pool. If the filter seems to fail, sign out and back in, clear the console cache, and restart the game. These refresh account flags and matchmaking state. If issues persist, change your matchmaking region if available, or contact Epic support to report incorrect crossplay behavior. Doing this helps them correct account or server-side mismatches that allow other players.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.